of YouTube channel. Firstly, Happy New Year. I think this is the first content that we are going to drop for this year. Okay, the updates we are having today to share with you is how to get AdSense approval with this story creator system. You will get a quick AdSense approval. Okay, how can we get started? This platform is called tstory.com. Okay, don't be surprised. Just watch this video step by step guide on how to get your AdSense approval or your dashboard using tstory.com. It's a Korean platform. You will have a translator on your PC or your phone, smartphone. Okay, from here you see it's in Korean, then you click here, you translate it to English so that you can get started with this story creator system. How can you get started? Go to Google, it's loading, click T story, then you open it to you click it and open to next tab. Okay, it's opening. My phone is an automatic translate. Okay, then now we are here in the Korean platform called T-Story. What you need to do, I have already have account here already. Okay, for you who is just starting, what you need to do is to click on get started. Okay, let me log out here so that I can guide you properly. Okay, what you need to do is you need to use sign up, get started. You click on get started. When you click on get started, you sign in or sign up rather with your Gmail. When you sign up with your Gmail, like my own, I'm just signing. I don't want to log out for now. Okay, let me log out. Let me just log out for the tutorial purpose. You'll see something like this on the top right hand corner. Let me zoom it. Getting started. You click on the getting started. Then they will ask you log into Kakao account and T-Story account login. This is the one that you click, start T-Story with Kakao account. The third one here, you've seen it, that's the one I click. Then if you don't have the logins, you just click sign up. Okay, sign up here. Then the sign up here, you said I have an email account. You have an email already. You click an email, then you click agreed. I agreed. Then you put your email. Okay, like my own, I have already. I verified. It said email has already been registered, and then login. If you just verified, they will send a verification code to your phone number, to your Gmail, I beg your pardon. Then you copy and paste it there, then you continue with the email. Like my own, I'm just logging in direct. Okay, this is the platform. What you need to do is after signing up, you need to be posting articles. This is how it will look like. uh Creating story. They ask you of the title. Okay, the title and the body. Okay, you can put any content. Okay, then now after creating that, they ask you of to verify that you are a human. From this place here, they ask to verify that you're a human. After that verification code has been sent to your phone, you see an interface like this. This one is already opened. Interface. This website is already been opened. It said dab scholarship .tstory.com. Then you add your site title. After putting that your recovery phone number, I beg your pardon, your recovery the code that they sent to your email, you now bring the code, you put it. Then after verifying it, another interface will pop up. After that interface pop up, you receive firstly will be site title, the website name, how you want it to look like, and the, let me say it, another title that you want, any title that you want, it will come out. If they approve it, you see they mark it with red. They'll mark it with red, mark it with red 3 times. Then you verify that you're not a robot. After that, the website will be created. Then after creating the website, what you need to do is to copy the URL. Mine is scholarships.tstory.com. Okay, I copy it. Then you go to your AdSense, even without putting any content. You copy it, but you can add your content maybe later. Just click site, mm, click site. Even X block as it stands now, you will not even need content. You open it to T-Story. Look at how it is. Oh, you see that's scholarship.tstory.com. Okay. I'll go to T-Story. I'll complete the setup. My next, verify. Said this includes share revenue. I agree that 0%, which is currently 0% to T-Story. You see, they are not sharing, unlike Xblog and yo.fan. You enjoy your money directly. Okay, just get the approval. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share this video, like this video, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.